Now moves toward the life cycle of the honeybee, which is started by the nuptial flight, which also known as the mating flight or the marriage flight. It started during the evening when the drones are available. The several drones which are attracted by the pheromone which is secreted by the queen, as they secrete, they receive the pheromone by the drones and chase to the newly emerged queen. At that time, the queen which comes outside the colony and just chase that drones to that of the newly emerged queen. Only one drone succeed in mating where the queen receive the sperms from the drones. Around the 5 millions of the sperms which are released by the drone, and they are stored into the spermatheca located in the abdominal region of the queen. Spermatheca, it means that the sperm storing bag, whose capacity is around the 6 to 7 millions of the sperm, but one time they store about the 5 millions of the sperms. After mating, the queen frees herself from her dead mate, that drone which is death which is observed, and they return to the nest. The mated queen then start to lay the eggs here. Then after that, starting from the egg up to the adult, that process we say that metamorphosis. The development of an embryo into the adult bees takes place through a series of successive morphological variable forms. Step by step, number of the forms which are observed. In case of the honeybees, the 4 different stages are present, that is the egg, larva, pupa and the adult, and hence such type of the metamorphosis also known as the complete metamorphosis. First is the egg stage. This is the egg stage. General characteristics: the queen lay about 2 different type of the eggs, that is fertilized and the unfertilized egg in the brood chamber. Fertilized egg will hatch into the female worker bee, while unfertilized egg will become the drones here. Even though as per the necessity or the queen becomes old, from the fertilized egg they also transform into the queen bees also. The eggs are laid singly and vertically attaches to the bottom of the cell wall. This is the bottom of the cell wall. At the center position she lay the egg, and with the help of the sting of the queen bee they detect and maintain the position of the eggs also. The eggs are about 1 to 1.5 millimeter long, elongated, slightly curved, whitish creamy in color. The hatching period for all the eggs it means that fertilized or even though the unfertilized egg is the same as the 3 days. After that, the larval stage. This is the larval stage of the worker bees. After 3 days, what happens? The egg hatches and a young larva which is released. But that young larva which is legless, there is no eyes, legs as well as no any body division also, and hence such a type of that larvae known as the grub. All the larvae are fed on the royal jelly for 3 days. At the center position, that larva which is present, and surrounding to that of this the material, food material which are poured by the worker bees, especially the nurse bees. Here all the larvae are fed on the royal jelly for the 3 days here. After the 3rd days, what happens? The worker and the drone larvae are fed with a mixture of royal jelly, small amount, honey as well as the pollen that named as the bee bread here. Bee bread is given to the larvae for 4 to 5 days, while royal jelly food continues to the queen larvae until the 8th day of the larval stage here. It means that until the 4 to 5 days of the larval stage, the bee bread which is given by the worker bees, especially which larval forms, those further transform into the worker as well as the drones, we say that here. But until the 8th day of the larval stage, the royal jelly which is fed by the worker bees, which further transform into the queen bee. The larvae then enters into the pupal stage. Around the 7 to 8 days, they transform into the non-feeding stage. That name is the pupal stage. The pupal stage. The pupal stage is a physical transition stage between the larva and the adult, located in between the larva and the adult stage here. On the 8th, 9th and the 10th day, the cells of the queen, worker and drones are respectively sealed or capped with the wax. That is, after completion of the larval stage, that is a full grown larva which further now transform into the pupal stage, and during such time the workers detect that position and seal that cell at the 8th day queen cell, 9th day worker cell, and on the 10th day the drone cell, which are completely sealed or capped by the wax. The cap of the drone cell is convex with a central hole, and those of the worker and the queen cells are the flat. This is the worker cells, look at that is a flat, their capping which is a flat, and this is a drone cell which outer, that is capping, which is somewhat the what we say that convex here. After capping, in case of the queen cell also, this is the queen cells toward the lower side which also sealed by the wax here. After capping, the larva spins a thin silken cocoon around itself within the cell to convert into the cocoon formation, we say that. During such stage, the pupa that does not feed. During pupal stage, it undergoes the gradual changes here. This is the pupal stage, especially the brown eye pupa, where the legs, mouth parts and body division also observed here. The last stage, that is the adult stage. Here the pupal stage, after the completion their period, they transform into the adult, and we know about that adults when emerges, three different castes in the form of the largest queen, smallest worker bee and the male, that is the drones which are comes out or the emerges here. This is generally the life cycle scenario, what it present, the queen which laid the eggs at the center position, bottom of the cell. Further that, this is the larva is on the 6th day, then the full grown larva is on the 10th day. After that, as the full grown, the externally which is sealed or the capped by the worker bee, this is the pupal stage, is of the 15 days. After that, 18th day, that is a mature pupa, we say that here, and after the 21st day, the newly emerged that worker bee which is observed here. Now this is the chart of the development of the queen, worker and the drone. The queen takes around the 16 days for complete development, worker which takes around 21 days for complete development, while drones which takes around the 24 days for the complete development from egg to the that adult stage. Now the last part is the social communication. Social communication, it means that the honeybees, no doubt that is a social and lives in the colony, and thousands of the bees which are present, especially the workers, they communicate one to another in search of the food sources, we say that, and that communicate for the food sources where the food which is present, in which direction that food is present, pursue or take the information from the scout bees. The bee communication was discovered first of all by an Australian zoologist, Karl von Frisch, University of Munich, Germany in 1940, and on such his credit, he got Nobel Prize in the year 1973 on the dance languages in the honeybees here. This is the Karl von Frisch who discovered communication among the worker bees, and that name is the dance languages in the honeybees. What happens here? The scout bees, that is the foragers, we say that, which collect the nectar from a specific distance and return back to the hive and communicate to the other bees here. When they collect the nectar and when come back into the hive, they perform the special type of the dance and they communicate to the other bees here. It results in the recruitment of the other workers to forage on the specific sources. When they perform the special type of the dance, the another members of their antony, they touch to the body of that scout bees who collect the nectar. And after that, they pursue the message or information and they move in that direction to collect the food materials. Here the worker bees perform two different kinds of the dances, especially the round dance and the wagtail or the tail wagging dance. Just we focus step by step. First is the round dance. That round dance which is performed if the food source is nearby to the colony. In case of the Apis mellifera, that food source which is present around the 100 meters or within the 100 meter, while in case of the Apis cerana indica, that within the 50 meters that food source which is present, and that distance the food source is present, they perform the round dance. What presents here in the round dance? The performing bee, that is the scout bee, takes quick short steps and runs around in a narrow circle on the comb, once to the right and then left, and then right and left, that repeating several times in the several seconds here. The dance which excite the bees which are present and tending the scout bees, and they touch the performer with their antennae and then leave the hive in search of the source of the food. But here the very important condition is that only the distance they covered, but not the direction, not the food test also, which is not observed in the round dance. Moves toward the waggle dance. Here the distance which is very long, where the waggle dance which is performed, the distance of the food source is much more or more than the 100 meters in case of the Apis mellifera and more than the 50 meters in case of the Apis cerana indica. Here what happens? The honeybees will dance in a semicircle, that scout bees when collect the food material, that is the nectar, and perform the dance, and during such times what happens? The dance in a semicircle, that is a half circle, and this is also the half circle. Then make a straight line back to the start and perform the semicircle in the other direction. It means that here first of all it moves in a straight direction, they left turn, and after that they wavy directions they form by the waggling. We say that here waggling, it means that the abdomen which can move continuously to form the wags, and hence give the term that is a wagging dance. As they left turn, after that it moves toward the right turn and to form the complete circle as like the figure 8 we see that. After that in a straight run, the dancing bee makes a waggling motion with her body, that is a waggling motion with the help of the abdomen. That is why this dance is also known as the wagtail dance or the waggle dance. This dance shows the direction as well as the distance to the feeding site. In case of the round dance, only the distance which is important, while in case of the waggle dance, the direction, distance, even though the test of the food material also detected here. Location of the food is indicated by the direction of the straight run in relation to the sun and the line of the gravity. That two important thing, that is as the relation or the sun is very important and the line of gravity which is also the important, and on such a basis they collect the food materials in that direction, in that distance, and perform the dance in the colony. Dear students, here to be completed the unit first, that is the bee biology. Today's already discussed about the social organization of the bee colony, where number of the points which are covered, that is structure of the colony, then the polymorphism, division of the labor, life cycle of the honeybee, and last one, that is a social communication that performing the dance language. Thank you very much.